Start solving. Good morning, Kavya. Can you share the link beta to everyone? Good evening, everyone. Sorry, good morning, everyone. Ready, everyone? So in this session, inform everyone to join as fast as possible. School friends also inform to join. Okay. So revision I am giving from my side. I am giving revision to everybody. So inform everyone to join. And the situation is like I'll explain you what and all things you have to do. Ready, everyone? Anybody is having mobile? Good morning, everyone. Now look here. Yes, Veda Mangesh, good morning. Kavya, good morning. Mm, yeah, good morning, everyone. Let's start the class, please. So now look here. The angle of elevation of a ladder leaning against a wall is 60 degree. We'll start with this question. Kundan, good morning. In all this, can you inform to all the school friends that today's session ma'am is giving for everyone so that everyone can join and learn? Hmm? Can you send it to all the children bit of the school so that they can be able to join and learn? Inform this to everyone. Whatever friends you are having, groups you are having. Okay, Harini, good morning, Vidam. So now let's start the session, please. Come on, go for it. Okay, fine. So now listen. The angle of elevation of a ladder leaning against a wall is 60 degree. So what is the angle of elevation? The angle of elevation is 60 degree. What they are telling that, and the foot of the ladder is 4.6 meter away from the wall. The length of the ladder is, what is the length of the ladder? So we need to, so here, so this is exactly the ladder, okay? It is making 60 degree, and what they are telling, the foot of the ladder is 4.6 meter away from the wall. So 4.6 meter away from the wall, and they are saying the height of the ladder. So if the height of the ladder be L, it will become hypotenuse. And what equation we are going to write here? So we will be starting base and hypotenuse. Cos 60 degree is equal to base 4.6 by hypotenuse h. So 1 by 2 is equal to 4.6 by h. H is equal to 9.2 meter. 9.2 meter is the height of the ladder. 9.2 meter is the height of the ladder. Good evening, sorry, good morning, everyone. Come on, join the session as fast as possible. Okay, fine. Come on, children. This is the first question we have done. See, like this type of questions are very unique and they are exactly coming in the examinations. So please try to solve these type of questions. So height of the ladder, I hope you might have understood how to find the angle of elevation of the ladder leaning against a wall. So if this is the ladder and this is the wall and this is the baseline, so definitely what angle they are subtending? They are subtending an angle of what degree? 60 degree. So their base and hypotenuse is needed. Did you did that? Done? We'll go for the next question, please. Now go for the next question. A boy standing on the top of a tower of height 20 meters So these are MCQ questions. So what we are going to do is we'll be doing as fast as possible. So now look here. Come on, draw it. Just tell me the answer. Which option is the correct answer? Which option is the correct answer? Which option is the correct answer? Understood. Which option is the correct answer? Very good. So let's go for the next one, please. Yes, absolutely correct. The correct answer is coming as this. So now let's solve the question. A boy, see, how many of you have given the correct answer? B is the correct answer. Let's see. See, a boy standing on the top of a tower. So, if I draw here, is it sufficient for you? Look here. I'm Nishant. Good morning. Good morning, Nishant. So now look here. A boy is exactly standing on the top of a tower. So that this is the location of the person. And after that, what is the height of the tower given to you is? Can you switch off that fan? It is making irritating me. So that is coming as 20 meter. Observe the angle of depression. So angle of depression is coming as 60 degree. This is 60 degree means this will come as 60 degree. The distance between the foot of the tower and the car must be, what is the distance between the foot of the tower? This is the foot of the tower and the car. The car is standing here. This distance we have to find. So this is perpendicular and this is base. So tan 60 degree is equal to perpendicular 20 by x. So it will become x is equal to 20 by, what do you call it? Tan 60 degrees exactly coming as root 3. So 20 by x. So x will be equal to the given answer in decimals. So you need to find the answer in decimal, root 3, root 3. So 20, here it is coming as 20 into 1.732 by 3. So it is coming as 0, 2, 4, 2, 3, 6, 2, 7, 14, 2, 3. And it is coming by 3. How many after 3 digits? This is coming as what? 1, 1, 11.5. 11.5. 5 means after that 4. 1.11.54. Answer is second one. Can you check answer is second one? Vanakkam sir. Answer is second one. I hope everybody understood. Everybody understood that answer is second one. Come on, check. Answer is second one or not? Yes, absolutely. So we'll go for the next question. We'll go for the next question. Come on, give the answer because today 2 hour session, 1 2 hour session, again another 2 hour session. Yes, yes, yeah. Go for it, please. Vishwa, can you go for it, please? Solve it. Give answer as fast as possible. Give answer as fast as possible. Okay, that was indeed quick answer. Hmm. We have given answer for question number 50 root 3. Okay, fine. Monkey, you need to push it back that side. Okay, fine, good, nice, congratulations. So now look here. Shall we start the work, please? A. So here, what is it? The angle of depression of an object from a 50-meter high tower is 30 degrees. Space is not there. So this is exactly 50 meter tower, tall tower, 50 meter, and exactly having what 30 degree, and this will also come 30 degree. Then the distance of the object from the foot of the tower, the distance of the object again tan 30 degree will be what beta? Tan 30 degree is equal to 50 by x. So definitely 1 by root 3 is equal to 50 by x. So x is equal to 50 root 3. X is coming as what? 50 root 3. X is coming as 50 root 3. So here answer is 50 root 3 is C answer. Absolutely. And who has given? The top three people name I'm going to take who has solved the answer correct. The top three people is Naren and Veda and Muthu. Muthu, you tell me your name so that I can be able, because I think it's your parents, whatever. So you just take your name. I think it's uh, uh-huh. It's whatever. Fine. So shall we go for the next question, please? Children, these questions are very important. Don't miss this question. Please solve these questions for your test. These questions are very, very important. One time, two times, three times, four times, five times, six times. I'm telling these questions are important for you. So please do these questions. Okay? Okay, Ritvijan. Sorry, Ritvijan, I forgot your name. Yes, my name problem is this. Wow, super Vishwa. Fine. Ashwita, answer is A. See, this is what you people are doing. You are solving it in no time, and I want the speed only. Come on. Start with that speed, start with that encouragement, like you can do it. Come on, children. We are going for question number 4. In that question number 4, I'm keeping the slide little bit one side so that I can get some space to solve the question. Please don't mind that because this is MCQs. MCQ means we should not be using more space. Okay. So first you need to understand that less space, too much accurate content, to the point we are going to write. Is it okay for all of you? Come on. So now we are going to write this one. The angle of depression of a car parked on the road from the top 120-meter high tower is, so definitely 120-meter high tower is there, and angle of depression is exactly coming as 30 degree. So this one is also coming as 30 degree. The distance from the car from the tower is, so again this is coming as x. So now tan 30 degree is equal to 120 by x. So x by root 3 is equal to 120. So x is equal to 120 root 3. So answer is A. And the person who has given the answer first is, let's see who has given the answer first. It was Vishwa. Come on, Vishwa, you made a record, boss. So all the answers you're giving first. Ila version. I believe you people, Naren, second one, and the third one is Ashwita. So definitely I got top three people who has given the answer. Come on, go for the next one. Mukundan, late. You people have to fight for the question. The next question is, go for this one. A vertical straight tree this much height is broken up by the wind in such a way that its top just touches the ground and makes an angle of 60 degrees. Come on, this you need to understand. This is your fight, children. Come on, go for it. Let's see who will solve the question first. Go for it fast. Offline children, fifth question. Try. What is the answer? The first answer I am receiving for the question is Vishwa again, after that Veda, and then Kavya, after that Ritvijan, then Sharmila, then Mukundan, then Maha. Yeah, speed is good, but this time again Vishwa has sent the answer first. So now I'm going to solve this question, children. Come on, check this one. These questions are important for you. So now a vertical straight tree of this much height. So 100%, what is the height of the tree? 15 meter total is the height of the tree is broken. The wind in such a way that its top touches the ground and makes an angle. So it's broken and it is exactly touching the ground and making angle 60 degree. Okay, with the ground. At what height the ground did the tree grow? This you have to find this one. Correct. So if this part is coming as, come on, come on, come on. If this part is exactly coming as what it is, this part we are going to take it as x, then this part will become 15 minus x. Correct. No? Because the total height is x, 15. What is the total height? 15. So the height from where it is broken is taken as x, then this one will become 15 minus x. If you will add them together, again it is coming as 15. If you are adding them together, again it is coming as what? Check everybody's live right now or not. So again it is going to come as 15. Come on children, give the answer fast. So here it will come as hypotenuse and perpendicular. So sine 60 degree is equal to x by 15 minus x. So root 3 by 2 is equal to x by 15 minus x. Come on. So is this the correct answer coming? So here what we are going to do is it is coming as sine 60 degree because here it is perpendicular and this part is considered as hypotenuse. So now it will come to root 3 15 minus x is equal to 2x. Got it? So here it will come 15 root 3 minus root 3x is equal to 2x. Children, can you tell me is it correct? How many of you are thinking it is correct? Okay, Ila version, not Veda. Okay, your Ila version. So first, Ila version has given the answer for this. A vertical straight of 15 meter is broken and the wind in such a way that its top touches the ground and makes an angle of 60 degree with the ground. At what height from the ground the tree broken? So will the answer be this or will the answer be decimal question? Come on children, tell me. Answer is coming as 5. Huh? Come on, check because they're telling at what height from the ground the tree broken. So they're asking this height. Are you understanding? At what height from the ground the tree broken or this height they're asking. Come on, children, say the answer. At what height from the ground the tree is broken? Answer is C. How you got? Did you got this equation? Did you got this equation or not? Yes or no? So when you are getting this equation, you are getting this equation. So root 3 by 2 is equal to root 3 by 2 because sine 60 degrees root 3 by 2. So it will come 2x and this section is coming. So we are going to write 15 root 3 is equal to x part will be there 2 plus root 3 and then 15 root 3 will be written 15 root 3 and then here 2 minus root 3 and here because this part will go down 2 plus root 3 then 2 minus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 is equal to x part will come. So it will come 15 root 3 minus 2 root 3. Here it is coming as 4 minus 3. So it will come as 1. Correct? So 15 root 3 means 30 root 3 minus 3. 30 root 3 because 15 root 3 is exactly coming as 30 root 3 and minus 30. So definitely 30 into root 3 minus 1. So 100% is coming 30 into 0.732. So 0 3 is a 6, 3 is a 9, 3 7 is a 21, 22. For me it is coming as 22. Right? Coming for minutes. Did I miss anything? Did I miss anything? Answer is coming as D. Come on, children. Tell. Is the answer coming as D or right? Because see, a vertical straight tree. So if you will be multiplying this one, subtracting 0.732, 30 is coming as common. 30 root 3 and 3 means 30 will be coming. 15 root 3, 30 means maximum part will be coming 0.732. So 1 0 will be there, 3 will be there, 3 to the 6, then 3 3 is a 9. Yes, it is approximately coming to this point only. Come on, check. Wait, I'll check one thing. Answer will be same only. Yes, answer is correct only. Our answer is correct only. So answer is exactly 7.1. Approximated 7.9 it is coming. Yes, answer is D only. Good morning, Himanshu. Answer is coming as D only. Approximated value is coming that much only. Come on, note down this one. Here 15 3s are 45 is coming. Here this mistake I did. So 45 is there. So look here, it is coming here. Calculation part is not there. 30 root 3 minus 15 3s are 45. So here it will become 30 into 1.732 minus 45. And approximately 7.9 answer will come. So I'm correct. Answer is 7.9 only. Okay, yes, the answer is 7.9 only. Answer is coming as 7.9. Is it done, everyone? We'll go for next question. Come on, check this question. This question is a very good question. Go for question number 6 and 7. Go for question number 6 and 7, children. Try and solve this question. Question number 6 and 7. Wow, super. Naren has given the answer 6, answer A. Vishwa has given 21 and 21. 21.6, okay. That is A answer. And I think first this time Naren has defeated Vishwa after so long. So here, after 4-5 questions, then Ritvijan has given answer A, and then Mukundan has given answer A. Very good. So these after that only Kavya, Himanshu, and Maha has given answer here. Anybody got answer A? Or you people are still solving? So definitely competition is set between these boys who are online. An observer this much tall is 20 meters away from the tower. Is 20 meters away from the tower. So definitely an observer, this already question we have solved. This is 1.6 meter, and how much away? 20 meter away. 20 meter away from the tower. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the tower is coming as 45 degree. So this height is also becoming 1.6 meter. Okay. The height of the tower is, this one is taken as x. So tan 45 degree is equal to x by 20. So x is coming as 20. 20 plus 1.6. So it will come 21.6. Answer is absolute 21.6. Super. That's absolute correct answer. Answer is coming as 21.6. 21.6. Now we will go for the next question. Are you all ready? Come on, we'll go for the next question. Huh? You got the next question also, I think. For next question, anyone answer? Next question. Come on, go for it. An observer from the top of a 100-meter high lighthouse from the sea level observed that the angle of depression of two ships is 30 and 45 degree. So angle of depression, this time Vishwa has not wasted time. So it is Vishwa has given the answer, and he has given the answer. Which one, Vishwa? Option, yeah, option give. Seventh option is 100. Okay, option A. According to your option A, it is root 3 minus 1. I think Vishwa has given option A. After Vishwa, it is Ilavarsan, and then Mukundan, and then Kavya. Fine. So let's see, beta. We'll solve this question. So how to solve this question? Side, okay. How you are going to appear for this question? An observer standing on the lighthouse, and from lighthouse it is seeing two boats. Understood? So the lighthouse is 100-meter high. From the sea level, observe that the angle of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. The one which will be away will be 30 degree. If you will go near this part will become 45 degree and this one will become 30 degree. Because this part will be 45 to 30 degree. So this part is 30 degree and this total will become how much? This part, this much it will become 45 degree. Understood? So now after that what they are telling that the other side of the line was that the distance between the two ships. The distance between the two ships is taken as x. So we don't know this one, so we take it as y. So tan 45 degree is equal to 100 by y. First we will get this distance y part. So y is equal to 100. So this part is coming as 100. Now tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is 100 by x plus 100. So 1 by root 3 is equal to 100 by x plus 100. So x plus 100 is equal to 100 root 3. So x is equal to 100 root 3 minus 100. So it is coming as 100 root 3 minus 1. 100 root 3 plus 1 is here. So be very careful. First one will not be the answer. Answer is 100 root 3 minus 1. So you do one thing, you rationalize it. Root 3 plus 1 and root 3 plus 1. So when you are rationalizing it, so it will become 100 3 minus 1 by, because root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1 is coming. 100 section is coming, root 3 plus 1 minus 1. So say seriously, there is something root 3 minus 1. Why answer is not written anywhere? Options, let me check one time. Answer is exactly coming as what? 100 root 3 minus 1. So here answer it will be 100 root 3 minus 1. So change the answer please. So there might be some mistake. Answer is coming as, please show option D. Option D is, but answer is 100 root 3 minus 1. Option D is the correct answer. But your typing error is there, minus will be there. Minus is there. Yes, I'm going to show you the options. Okay, come on. So what is the answer? Did you understood now how to do it? This 100 will go that side. So 100 root 3 minus 100. So 100 taken common means root 3 minus 1. Now listen, these options are there. Can you go for question number 8? First I will show question number 8 and your time starts now. Oh, the answer is there. Then answer is correct. Okay, option D is correct only. Okay, super. Yes, our typing is not error. Answer is 100 root 3 minus 1. Okay. Vishwa has given the answer first. After that, other children has given the answer. Yes, absolutely. I didn't saw that root 3 is also answered. Very good. Shall you go with the next one? When the sun altitude changes from 30 to 60 degree, the length of the shadow of the tower decreased by 70 meter. That's a very good question. Everyone, come on, solve this question. Okay, I got answers also. First is Vishwa, second is Mukundan, third is Maha. So these people, okay, I'm repeating the question. I'm repeating the question. Beta. When the sun altitude changes from 30 degree to 60 degree. So sun altitude changes from which degree to which degree? 30 degree to 60 degree. That means how we are doing it. So 30 degree to 60 degree sun altitude changing means sun altitude changing from 30 degree to 60 degree. Okay. So come on, check this one out. When the sun attitude changes from 30 degree to 60 degree, the length of the shadow of the tower decreased. See, look here, beta. First is 30 degree, and then it changed to 60 degree. So now this is reduced by 70 meters. 75 meters, 70 meters. 70 or 75? 70. It is decreased by 70 meters. After that, what they are telling, what is the height of the tower? So this one will be taken as x. The height of the tower is taken as h. So definitely what will be there, tan h, tan 60 degree is equal to h by x. So x is equal to h by tan 60 is root 2. This will become equation 1. Now tan 30 degree, tan 30 degree is equal to h by 70 plus x. Okay. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to h by 70 plus x. X is how much meter? H by root 3. Correct? It will go this way. It will become 70 plus h by root 3 into 1 by root 3 is equal to h. So definitely it will become 70 by root 3 plus h by 3 equal to h. Correct? H by 3 equal to h. So 70 by root 3 is equal to h minus h by 3. So 70 by root 3 is equal to 3h minus h is 2h by 3. So 3 will be equal to 2 root 3h. So here it is coming. H is equal to 210. Correct now? Because 3 will go multiply with this, 2 will go down. 2 root 3. Then you apply root 3 and root 3. So it is coming 20105. And then 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. So answer is 35 root 3. 35 root 3, which was again correct. 35 root 3 is option C. Option C is the correct answer. Super. Option C is the correct answer. Some people have given. Another answer is given. Question number 8 answer is given. Then this one 8A is coming. No, no. From the top of a cliff this much height, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the cliff is found to be equal to the angle of depression of the foot of the tower. The height of the tower is, that's a very good question, question number 9. Let's see, now we will start assertion reason after this question. Come on everyone. Okay, so before 10th number question, first to solve this one. From the top of a cliff, 30 meter high. So what is the height of the cliff? 30-meter high. So this is the height of the cliff, 30 meter. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the cliff. So from the cliff, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower. So whatever is the angle of elevation, let the angle of elevation be theta. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from the cliff top is found to be equal to angle of depression of the foot of the tower. So whatever is that elevation, same is coming as depression of the foot of the tower. Find the height of the tower. Okay. So if this part is coming as x, this part is coming as y, so this part will also become x, and this part will come as h. Look here, this is a very important question. Do it. Very, 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 very important question. Do it nicely. Don't leave this question. Try solve this question. Try solve this question. Now look here. So first work is tan theta is equal to x by y. Then now here, what you are going to do, because they told that the elevation of the top, the height, cliff height is exactly 30 meter. So 30 meter is the height of the cliff. So this given is 30. So here this part will become 30. So 30 by y. Done. Huh? So cliff height is coming as 30 by y. Now here total tan x plus tan theta is equal to h plus 30 by y. Correct now? So here we are going to understand this one. This part is coming as y is equal to 30 by tan theta. So here can we write y is equal to 30 by tan theta. So y is equal to tan theta is equal to h plus 30 by tan theta. Understood? So here this will go up. It will come tan theta is equal to tan theta h plus 30 by 30. So this and this will get cancelled. Depression angle is this. 30 is the height of the cliff. X plus 30 by y is coming. So y is equal to h by 30. Y is equal to 30 by tan theta, that is perpendicular by base, and here it is coming as h plus x, x is 30 by y, so y is equal to direct we will substitute also, we are getting answer because this angle and this angle is coming as same. Okay, so tan theta h is coming as 30, h is coming as 30, 30 plus 30 is coming as 60. So h is coming as 30, this part will come 30, then here this part will come as 60 degree, and this theta will come 60 degree. Absolutely. Yes, answer is absolutely correct because I just solved it and got the answer is coming as 60 degree. After substituting, answer is coming as 60 degree. Now people start the most important thing, assertion reason. Assertion reason is one of the most important part. When assertion is true and reason is true and assertion is exactly what assertion is following reason. This is exactly the most important part. Assertion reason section will do. Got it? So here assertion is true, reason is true, and assertion is exactly going to explain the reason. So reason is going to explain assertion. This is one. Now assertion is true, reason is true, but assertion, reason is not explaining assertion. That is different. Now assertion is true, reason is false, and then assertion is false, reason is true. So definitely all these sections will be there. Okay, now that's what is my confusion has to support that. And your question number 10 is there. Now answer. Now you tell. Come on. Question number 10. If the length of the shadow Narin B without solving, first solve and tell. Maha A. So if the length of shadow of a vertical pole is equal to its height, then the angle of elevation of sun is 45 degree. That's true statement. In trigonometric terms, tangent is defined as perpendicular by base. How many of you are saying A? So first Naren said B. After that, Maha is telling A, Kavya telling A, Mukundan telling A, Ritwajan telling A. After that, Ashwita telling A. After that, Vishwa is telling A. What is the correct answer here is A. The why correct answer here is A? Because tan theta formula is perpendicular by base. So whenever we will be solving, perpendicular by base is supposed to be the correct answer. So 100% answer is coming as A only. I hope you might have understood this one. Come on, go for the second one. The angle of elevation. Come on, go for question number 11. Come on, come on, come on. Try this question, please. So, what is the answer for this? The angle of elevation. Very good. Now look here, beta. Here, this answer is very, very simple. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower is 60 degree. And height of the tower and its base are triple. Height of the tower and its base are triple. The angle of elevation of its top will become triple. Correct only. The elevation angle will also triple. So that's a true statement. So reason is, assertion is true. In an equilateral triangle of side this, the length of altitude is no, then there is no connectivity and the statement also is not correct. So definitely this is wrong and this is exactly true. So the correct answer is coming as what? Assertion is true or false? The option is when assertion is false, reason is true. D or C, let's check. Now I am going to solve it. Let's check this one out. Because you people have confused everything. So now let's say solve. I am going to solve. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower is 60 degree. Okay, I am going to solve this. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower is supposed to be 60 degree. Understood? After that, if the height, so this is height and this is distance between, and its base are tripled. So now height and base will, now height is tripled and base is also tripled. Okay? Then the angle of elevation of its top will also be triple. Now we'll see what will be the angle of elevation. Tan theta will be 3h by 3x. So tan theta will be tan 60 degree because h by x is 60 degree. So theta is coming as 60 degree. That means it is not triple. It remains the same. The angle of elevation remains the same. So angle of elevation remains the same means this is wrong. Super. Very good. So now we will check. In an equilateral triangle, if side is, so this is an equilateral triangle, side is 3 root 3, the length of the altitude is, so we know that length of altitude, length of height is equal to root 3, what is 4 by root 3 into side. Got it? 4 by root 3 into side. Is it correct? Now check it. What is the height? How to get the height? This is if you want to get the height, if you want to get the height, this is a, this will become a by 2. So here a will be equal to, height will be equal to a square minus a square by 4. So this is coming as root 3 by 2 into 7. What it is? Root 3 by 2 into side. So height is root 3 by 2 into side. So what they are telling, altitude is nothing but height. So let's see. So root 3 by 2 into side is 3 root 2. So it is coming 9 by 2 and that is 4.5 centimeter. This statement is true. It may follow assertion or not, that's a different thing. But this statement is true. This statement is true and this statement is false. So what is the answer? Assertion is false and reason is true. So definitely the answer is exactly going to be opposite. I hope you might have understood this one. Now go for question number 12. Question number 12. Yes, Kavya. Very good. This is which question you are sending, Vishwa? Check one time, beta. Option? Okay. Option is B. Again you have to do because it is not correct. It is not correct. Okay, Himanshu is telling option C. Reason is false, assertion is true. Okay, fine. Let's see. Answer is C or not. We are going to see B or C. What is the answer? I gave you enough timings to understand. Now, come on, go for it. Just check this one out. Now, look at it. Assertion. Suppose a bird was sitting on a tree. A person was sitting on the ground and saw the bird, which makes an angle such that tan theta is equal to root 3 by 3. The distance from the bird to the person is 13 units. The distance from the bird to that person is 13 units. That answer has to come. Okay. So distance of the person from that person, distance of the bird from that person. Assertion, suppose a bird was sitting on a tree. The person was sitting on the ground and saw the bird, which makes an angle such that tan theta is equal to root 3 by 3. So the person is sitting on the ground and watching tan theta. So that is x by y. That is the height of the tree and distance, that's what they are telling. Which makes an angle such that the distance from the bird to the person is 13 units. This is 13 units they are telling. Okay. So here with the height of the 3D, we don't know. So tan theta, they have given theta value. Tan theta is equal to this much. See here. This part is little tricky. Suppose a bird was sitting on the tree. A person was sitting on the ground and saw the bird, which makes an angle such that tan theta is equal to this. So tan theta is nothing but root 3 by 3 is equal to tan theta. So that means this part will become root 3x and this part will become 3x. Understood? So we need to find using hypotenuse root 3x perpendicular by base. So here it will become a perpendicular root 3 square plus 3 square. So that means it is coming as how much? 9 plus 3. 12 is coming. The distance from the bird to the person is 30 units. Sitting on a tree, the person was sitting on the ground and saw the bird, which makes an angle such that tan theta is equal to root 3 by 3. So we can write wait here. We can do like this also now. Root 3 by 3 is where we will write root 3 root 3. It will become 3 by 3 root 3. Definitely angle is coming now, work over. So here it is coming 1 by root 3. So tan theta will be equal to 1 by root 3. So tan theta equal to the 30 degree it is making. How much it is making? 30 degree. Understood? The tan 30 degree will be making. So definitely this part is there. So answer here is all people have given different answer, but the correct answer here is which question we are solving? Question number 12. Give me 1 minute. So how many of you have given the answer? Actually, wait 1 minute. I need to read the question. What was sitting on the tree? Tan theta is equal to. Children, here one mistake is there in the question. Here typing error is there. This is wrong. So only answer is not coming. So only I thought answer is tan theta is given as 12 by 5. Now do it. Tan theta is coming as 12 by 5 in a right angle triangle. Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus base square. So hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus base square is a correct concept. Children, one small change I am doing because here tan theta is equal to this part means 13 will not come. And if 13 will not come means assertion will become false and reason will become true. Understood? So as this also if that value also is coming means assertion is false and reason is true. So this will go for which option? D option. Assertion false, reason true. D option. So it will come as D option. Those who have given D option, but beta second one is exactly coming. The distance from the bird to the person is 30 unit. If this has to be correct, then here 12 by 5 unit has to be taken. Okay. How? So now look here. So if that person is sitting here, it is 12x and then it is as 5x. So 100% 144x plus 25x will come as root under 13x. So 13x is this part. Got it? So answer will become assertion will be true, reason will be true. But reason is exactly not explaining assertion, reason is explaining assertion. Because Pythagoras theorem you are actually using. Which theorem you are using? Pythagoras theorem. So answer will become A beta when you will be using Pythagoras theorem. Yes, Naren. Those who have exactly written, the answer is exactly correct. A is the correct answer when it is taken 12 by 5. When it is taken 12 by 5, I repeat my words. When it is taken 12 by 5, it is coming as what? Yes, but if it is taken another value, then it is not correct. So if it is taken any other value, it is exactly not taken. Other values means if it is taken 3 root 3 means answer is D. But if it is taken another value like 12 by 5, then answer will be coming as what beta? Answer will be coming as A. So that's the difference. Can you go for question number 13 please? And go from here. You need to be very, very, yes, absolutely correct beta. Come on, go for it, Beta. Vasant, good morning. You are telling it is D. One time you check, yeah. See, listen, assertion. Everyone solve and say assertion and reason. Everyone solve and say assertion and reason. Assertion is false and reason is true. Let's check this one out. Assertion is coming true or not. One time we will check. One time we will check with them. Now look here. What and all things are there? One time check this one out. What is exactly coming here is, see, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower 30 degree and horizontal distance from the observer eye, horizontal distance to the foot of the tower is. Horizontal distance is 50 meter and angle of elevation given is how much meter? 30 degree. Okay. After that, then the height of the tower will be 50 by 3 root 3. So beta we will take it as x. So tan 30 degree is equal to x by 50. So 1 by root 3 is equal to x by 50. So here it will become 50 by root 3. Understood? 50 by root 3. It is coming as how much beta? 50 by root 3. And here, if we will be differentiating it, multiplying it, so 3 root 3 part is coming. So 50 root 3 by 3. It is coming as how much beta? 50 root 3 by 3. So once 50 root 3 by 3 option D is coming. Beta here, yes, 50 root 3 is coming. Absolute. So beta here it is coming. 50 root 3 by 3, but they have given 50 by 3 root 3. That is not correct. So assertion is false. Understood? Now reason. By using the concept of angle of elevation depression, triangle should be a right angle triangle. It's a true statement. Huh? So assertion is false and reason is true. Absolutely. Very good. Super. So those who have given D as answer, they are absolutely correct. Hmm? Understood or not? Okay, I hope till here it is done. Shall we go for the next question, beta? Now look here, question number 14 and 15 and 16 we will do. The dash of sight is the line drawn from the eye of an observer to the point in object viewed by the observer. What is the answer? The dash of sight is the line drawn from the eye of an observer. The elevation of sight. The line of sight. The correct answer is line of sight, and Kavya has given the answer first. Yes, it's the line of sight. The fill in the blanks question, first one is the line of sight. The correct answer here is the line of sight. Very good. So now with the next one, the angle of, come on, do it fast. Question number 15. That angle of dash of an object viewed from is the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when it is below the horizontal level. What it is? Is it angle of elevation or angle of depression? Again, mistake is coming. Come on, check one more time. The correct answer is depression. The correct answer is depression, not elevation. Yes, the correct answer is depression. Now you people are correct. Now why it is, I'm going to tell you. The angle of depression of an object viewed is the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when it is below the horizontal line. Below the horizontal line. Below the horizon. Above the horizontal line is coming as elevation. Below the horizontal line is coming as depression. Absolutely. Above horizontal, below depression. Above horizontal, elevation. Below horizontal, depression. So I hope children you will remember this. Now next question, beta, question number. Solve this question. If the length of the shadow of a tower is this much times its height, the angle of elevation of the sun is. Length of the shadow means the length is exactly what? The length of the shadow. Let x be the length of the shadow. The length of the shadow is root 3 times its height. So length of the shadow is, see look at this is exactly x and this is y and this is theta. So length of the shadow is 3 root 3 times of height x. Understood? Then what is the angle? So tan theta is equal to x by root 3x. Cancel. Then theta is coming as how much degree? 30 degree. 1 by root 3 is 30 degree. 1 by root 3 is how much degree? 30 degree. Absolutely correct. So now we'll go for the next one. Question number 20. Question number 12 or 17. Okay. So 20 meter from a point 20 meter away from the foot of a tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Then the height of the tower is, wow, what a question. Everyone start solving this question, please. A monkey. Is it over? Praveen is asking break. Now better look here. I can't give you break because again we have to start. So question number 70. The shadow portion is done, Navita. Huh? Next question is from a point 20 meter away from the foot of the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. The height of the tower is how much is coming? 20 root 3. 20 root 3. Here answer is coming as 20 root 3. Direct solving now. Here direct solving is coming. Look here children. These are important questions. Fill in the blanks may be there. So here I am not saying I'm keeping my mouth shut. 30 degree. This is exactly 20. So this part the height is there. So h by 20. So it will come 20 by root 3. Hey, it is coming 20 by root 3. Yes. Come on, children, check this one out. 20 root 3. Correct only. 20 root 3. 60 degree below. Now, with the next question, shall we go for it? Now, solve this question. In the given figure, the angle of depression from the observing position, this one, respectively of the objects are. Now, look here. In the given figure, the angle of depression from the observation points, respectively, of the object A are. What is the angle of depression? O2. Check everyone. Check everyone how much it is coming. 30 and 30 coming. Hmm? Very good. 30 and 45. The correct answer is coming back only. So now are we ready for another session? Because in this session we have solved these many questions. Now true false question is there. It's not going to end so soon. So definitely you have to solve and find the questions. Now it's 1 hour and 10 minutes. We'll get some break and then we will start. Take 10 minutes break and then we will start. Okay? After 15 minutes break we will start again. Yeah, monkey.